Hi, this is Marty. This is the drain procedure. And what you see is the drain coming out of my stomach, going into the control device. On the control device is hooked over here. New C cap, the old C cap that was over here. You unscrew this, screw it into this one, and open up your clip, and the fluid starts draining, going into that little bag out there. It takes about 10 minutes for the 2,000 ml fluid to exit your stomach, your abdomen, that's the proper name, and go into the drain bag. So we're just watching this, and we'll hopefully in another 9 minutes we'll be finished. Thank you.